Without the right call to action, your affiliate marketing campaign is bound to fail. That is why you want to craft engaging calls to action that get your target audience to do the actions you expect from them. Put simply, a call to action tells your audience what you would like them to do once they click on your ad or other promotion medium. A clear and effective call to action lets your audience know exactly what to expect from them and dissuades unwanted users. In this video, you will learn 5 effective tips for an effective call to action. A great call to action is concise and gets straight to the point. It lets your target audience know exactly what you would like them to do, which should help improve click-through rate. For example, with an online store, an effective command verb would be buy, shop, or order. Similarly, download or subscribe work well with newsletters. Likewise, find out how or find out more work well if you want someone to request information. It takes certain emotions to elicit a strong response from your audience. Your call to action needs to have whatever emotion you want to trigger in your audience. If enthusiasm is what you want to elicit from your audience, then your call to actions needs to communicate it. Similarly, your call to action needs to communicate compassion if that's what you want from your audience. Order now and get 65% off is an example of effective call to action. Subscribe now to receive the latest business news is yet another effective call to action. You may have noticed the use of an exclamation point to add to that enthusiasm. If you want to get the clicks and the conversions that you want from your target audience, you need to give them a clear and attractive reason for them to take action. You should quickly make it clear for your audience what's in it for them. In other words, what's your product or service unique selling point. When you combine your unique selling point and your call to action into a killer expression, you will increase clicks from your target audience. Consider, for example, sign up for a free consultation. People's fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful motivator for them to take action relatively quickly. It's a psychological trait of most people that they don't want to miss out on an opportunity that might not come around again. It is arguably most effective in your call to action with a promotion or sale that won't last long. It's hard to ignore messages like order now, sale ends in 3 days, or sign up this week and get 70% off. Customizing your calls to action based on the devices being used by your target audiences will increase your leads and/or buyers. On desktop or tablet, a person who sees an ad will likely search for more information on the product or service being promoted. They are not quite ready to make a purchase, but on their mobile phone, people tend to take action much more quickly. That's why you should write more phone-focused calls to action using, for example, a feature in Google Ads that allows you to target only cell phones or otherwise, and another feature called Google's click-to-call function. For phone, you could have something like call today to get a free quote.